who will emerge as the kings of Manchester between Manchester United and Manchester City. Manchester United are hosting Manchester City in the Manchester Derby at the Old Trafford at 5:30 Central African Time. Manchester United are hosting Manchester City. It is the Manchester Derby. So who will emerge winners? Who will emerge as the kings? Who will emerge as the kings of Manchester between the two sides? We know when the two sides meet, there's fireworks. There's fireworks whenever Manchester United meets Manchester City. There's fireworks. So who do you think will come out victorious in this match? Tell me, guys. Go to the comment section below and tell me who do you think will win this match. So we're going to be previewing this match. We're going to be looking at the form that the two teams are carrying coming to this match. We're going to look in terms of the suspensions and the injuries as part of previewing this match. Then we're going to be providing the predictions, but we're also going to be looking at the head-to-head in terms of the previous 5 matches between the two teams, and also going to be looking on the log position that between the two teams, which is on top of looking at where the two teams are situated or are located on the log. So stay with me, don't leave. Remember to subscribe as well. Okay, let's get to it. We're going to start with the home team, which is Manchester United in this case. The match is played at Old Trafford. Let's start with the home team, Manchester United. We'll look at in terms of the injuries and suspensions, the players that are not available for the Manchester Derby. Martinez is not available. Diallo is not available. Luke Shaw is not available. Heaven is not available. And Evans is not available. So Manchester United coming to this match, they've got about 5 players that are not available for selection. So they're going to be missing these 5 players who are not available for suspension, who are not available for this match due to injuries and suspensions. Then let us look at the visiting team, which is Manchester City. Which players are not available for Manchester City for selection due to injuries and suspensions? There's about 5 of them as well. Rodri is not available. We know how Rodri has been key to Manchester City. Akanji is not available. Jay Stones is not available. Nathan Ake is not available. And Erling Haaland is not available. So you're looking at these players who are not available. Who do you think is most disadvantaged by the fact that they've got some of these players are not available? I mean, you look at Manchester City, Rodri, Erling Haaland, Akanji. These are key players. These are key players for Manchester City. So do you think this will likely to tilt things in favor of Manchester United? Do you think this will impact how Manchester City runs out in this match? Then let us look in terms of the log. Let's look in terms of the form. Let us start looking by the form, the kind of form that the two teams are carrying coming into this match. Starting with the home team, which is, of course, is Manchester United. So we're going to be looking at their previous 5 matches in the lead up to this match. Starting from the 6th of March 2025, where Manchester United played a 1-1 draw away to Real Sociedad. Then on the 9th of March, Manchester United played a 1-1 draw against Arsenal. Then on the 13th of March, Manchester United defeated Real Sociedad by 4-1 at home. Then on the 16th of March, Manchester United visited Leicester City and they defeated Leicester City by 3-0. On the 1st of April, their last match coming into this match, Manchester United were lost at home to Nottingham Forest. Right? They lost 1-0, so meaning Manchester United are coming into this match at the back of a defeat. They're coming into this match at the back of a defeat. Is that going to affect them? We don't know. We'll see. Then let us look at the Manchester City's form coming into this match. Remember, Manchester City are the visitors in this instance. So we're going to be looking at their previous 5 matches, starting from the 1st of March, 2025. Manchester City defeated Plymouth by 3-1. They were playing at home. Then on the 8th of March, Manchester City lost to Nottingham by 1-0 away at Nottingham. Then on the 15th of March, Manchester City played a 2-2 draw against Brighton at home. Then on the 30th of March, Manchester City visited Bournemouth and defeated Bournemouth by 2-1. Then on the 2nd of April, their last match coming into this match, Manchester City hosted Leicester City and they defeated Leicester City by 2-0. So you look at their previous 5 matches, you see that Manchester City, they won 3, drew 1 and lost 1. Then let us, if you look at Manchester United in their previous 5 matches, they drew 2, won 2, and lost 1. So in terms of the form coming to this match, of course, you'd see that Manchester City are carrying a much better form compared to Manchester United. But when it comes to derby, sometimes form counts for little. So let us look at the head-to-head between the two teams in their previous 5 matches. The 5 previous Manchester derbies. You'd see that Manchester United, they won 2 of those matches. There were no draws, and Manchester City won 3. So you see Manchester City are in a much better positions. They won 3, and Manchester United won 2. There's not much difference, but of course, Manchester City, they've won 1 more than Manchester United. So you see they've been a bit dominant in terms of the Manchester derby. This has been Manchester City. So let us look in terms of the log. Where are these two teams situated in the log? Starting with the home team, Manchester United. Whew. Yeah, scary. Manchester United are currently at position number 13, guys. Manchester United are currently at position number 13. Having played 30 matches, they won 10 of those matches, drew 7, and lost 13. Right? They have lost, Manchester United this season, they've lost more matches than matches they've won. In terms of their goal difference, it is -4, which explains a lot. Right? Then they've accumulated 37 points. This is Manchester United. You look at their visiting team, which is Manchester City, the defending champions. It's not been a good season for them as well. It's been a horrible season. They're currently at position number 5, having played 30 matches. They've won 15, drew 6, lost 9. Goal difference is +17. They've accumulated 51 points. So they're currently at number 5. So now prediction time. My prediction here, it is this. Manchester City will emerge victorious in this match by 2-1. I'm saying so because Manchester United have been performing very badly at home at Old Trafford. I don't know, for some reason, Man United this season have been losing matches at home. And also considering the fact that Manchester City are currently at position number 5 with 15 wins, compared to Manchester United, who are currently at position number 13 with 10 wins. So I'm predicting that Manchester City will defeat Manchester United by 2-1. Let me hear your predictions. Do you agree with me, or do you have a different predictions from mine? Let me hear you. Go to the comment section below, guys, and comment there. Drop your prediction there. Let's see who'll get it right, guys. Let's see who'll get the predictions right. And thank you very much for tuning in. And please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much, guys.